Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert your Google form to a Word document. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in to your Google Forms, and you can achieve that by heading to your Google Chrome browser and just typing in Google Form, and it will take you to this page if you don't already have a Gmail address signed in to your PC. Ensure you log in your Gmail address to ensure or to help you navigate that easily. Now, the next thing we want to do is show you how to convert your Google form to Word document. So you want to pick the particular Google form you want to work with. For the purpose of this video, I'll just pick a template I want to work with and then get it open. Converting a Google form into a Word document can be very important and useful depending on what you want to achieve. Here are some key reasons why you want to convert your Google form to a Word document. Sometimes you want to have an offline access of that particular Google form to help for easy printing, custom formatting, document sharing requirements, to also have a Word version control, or to have a backup copy, or to reuse in other platforms that do not accept Google Forms. So these are some of the reasons why you might want to convert your Google Forms to Word document. Let's head straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is head over to the corner, the top right corner over here, and click on these three dotted lines where you see a list of options. Now, what you want to do is convert from Google Form to Word document. So head over to print. Now, clicking on print does not necessarily mean that you want to print this document. It could mean that you want to do a whole lot of things. So you head over to destination, which is at the right corner. All right, and this will normally manually be in Microsoft Print to PDF. So since you're not printing, you just click on this drop down icon over here and change it as save as PDF. And then when you're done, you just click on save, and you have your Google form saved. So you just go over here, name your file, and then when you're done, you click on save. So automatically you've been able to save this particular Google form as a Word document. When you head over to your file manager, you would be able to access that file as a Word document. Thank you so much for watching this video. I was happy to have you here, and I hope that you've been able to learn how to convert your Google Forms to Word documents. Until next time, bye for now.